up, you guys? It's your girl, Beautiful Yaz, and I'm back with another video. Ooh. That's not a sweat mark. I don't know what that is. Oh, you know what? It's probably baby drool. Mom life. But anywho, I have my bestie with me. Say hi. No, but so in today's video, I will be doing my mannequins makeup just like mine, so we could look like twins. So yeah, stay tuned, keep watching. This thing is like really bad. So like yeah, stay tuned, keep watching, and let's go. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and share, and check the description box. That's it. That's all. Just those like 5 things. But all right, let's go. First and foremost, let me let y'all know something. This hair and these glasses you can get on my website at beautifulyaz.com. It'll be on the screen somewhere or down below in the description box, or maybe it'll be here. Shop beautifulyaz.com. Sunglasses, wigs. This is Real Scalp Illusion wigs. Let y'all get a close up. Yes, get into that. So, okay, let's get into this makeup. You know what? It would have helped if we had the same kind of hairstyle, you know. But you know what? Yeah, it's cool. I think I might put another one of my wigs on. That's a middle part, but it's curly. That's the only difference. Guys, guess what I just did? You probably could tell because it's so big. I just put this wig on top of my other wig, so y'all can like get like a better view. Am I a mess for doing that? Get into this hair though, honey. Okay, let's get this thumbnail popping. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Doing her makeup was a lot harder than I thought it would be, so kudos to y'all that have done videos like this where you do your mannequins makeup, because it's completely different from doing a real person's makeup. Hence, this is not skin, so wherever I would touch it, the makeup would come off. But yeah, get into this though. Bruh, I got straight hair and curly hair. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. You already know whose baby that is crying in the background. It's baby Jamari, my baby. I gotta go tend to him, so I will see y'all in the next video. Let me know how I did, and leave me a comment letting me know what other videos you want to see from me in the future. All right, bye. Why am I still holding her?